As you can see, my brows kind of non-existent. If I mess up, do you know what, it's not even that deep because this is my first time. We're in lockdown, so no one's really gonna see me there. Imagine if they look like this. Oh my gosh, no. That would not be the vibe. Hi everyone, it's Eden-Olivia. I hope you're well. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be dyeing my eyebrows for the first ever time at home. Yeah, I've never dyed my brows before, like by myself, or I've never even gone to the shop and had them done. But yeah, today is the day that I do this. I'm using the Eylure Dybrow. I saw that Molly-Mae from Love Island used it, so I thought if it's good enough for her, it's good enough for me. I got the colour black. I feel like I'm hoping that it works, because sometimes when you get dark brown, it's like light brown, you know? So I thought, what's darker than black? Nothing. So yeah, bit nervous, but I'm just gonna get straight into it. I really hope that this looks cute and the vibe, because as you can see, my brows kind of non-existent. So yeah, hopefully this will just help me, especially during lockdown. Also, my eyebrow pencil has run out, so this better work. Okay, we'll go get that. Okay, so got a little kit. Where's the instructions? Ooh, colour your eyebrows for up to 6 weeks. This might be a game changer if it actually works. Wear suitable gloves. I've got some. They don't come with the packet, but I do have some gloves. Weird that they say wear gloves, but they don't bring any in the packet. But anyway, we move. Cleanse your eyebrows with a non-oily cleanser. Okay, so I'm going to use this L'Oreal toner. I don't have anything on my brows at the minute, but still. Okay, so I've cleaned them. I'm going to dry them with a towel, and then we're good to move on. Okay, step 2. Right, so I've actually watched a few videos on this because I thought, I don't know what I'm doing, so I need to kind of figure it out. So I'm going to use this, like, what is this called? An angled brush. And I'm going to be putting some Vaseline around my brows. Let me move a bit forward so you guys can actually kind of see what I'm doing. Got some Vaseline on there. I don't know if you guys can, yeah. Right, let's do this. Maybe I should I be brushing my brows? Yeah. And now put some Vaseline around. By the way, as you guys can see, my eyebrows are not plucked, so yeah, don't judge. Oh yeah, I need to get closer so you can actually see what I'm doing. Oh my gosh. Right, and I need to make sure I do this front bit. I'm sweating. If I mess up, do you know what, it's not even that deep because this is my first time. We're in lockdown, so no one's really going to see me there. Step 2, done. Next. It says squeeze 2 centimetres in. Am I meant to get my ruler out? What? Yeah? Yeah. Get off then. Okay, so we have our 2 centimetres in there. Let's put the lid on immediately. Scared. Okay, 5 drops of this. How did you? I don't get this. Oh. Do we? What? Okay, I think. Oh my gosh. I think that's enough. We'll see. We'll see as we get on. We're gonna use, where's that thing? The little stick it came with. I don't want to have my gloves on at this point. Let's get them on. Where's that stick? I feel like it came with, oh, stuck to my, what? This? What? This is meant to be easy. Why is this not? Also, why is it not said brush your brows with the little whatever? Right. Do you know what? I'm gonna read ahead. Yeah, let me quickly read ahead. Right. Right, I'm gonna mix now. I think I might have put in too much of the solution. This thing is not mixing. It's literally just like, I don't know if you guys can see. Right, come on. My arm's aching. I really don't think this is working. Oh my gosh, right, I'm bored of this. Come on. Guys, nothing's happening. It's not like forming. I'm gonna add more of this. Hopefully this will help. Right, I've added more of the dye. It's just really not breaking up for some reason. Like it's just, maybe it's meant to be like this. I don't really know at this point. It's just really lumpy, that's the word. Guys, I think I've done it. I think it's like doing what it should have been doing the whole time. My arm is aching. This is literally like a workout, I won't lie to you. But it's doing its little thing. I'm happy with where it is. My poor little arm needs a break. Right, next. Please note the colour of the cream may change. Good, because this has gone purple, so I was a bit confused about that. Now for the dye. I feel like I should do the brows at the same time, personally. Let me get a bit more Vaseline. I feel like I need to get closer to the hairs. Time for the dye. Let's do this. This says use the mascara wand, but I watched tutorials on this. I'm pretending I'm an expert now. Literally been following it step by step, but they didn't use a mascara wand. They used, where's that brush gone? Like an angled brush? Okay, right, now is the time. Let's do this. Okay, so I've got this Real Techniques brow brush. Perfect. And I'm gonna get dye in. I might go in after with the mascara wand thing. Guys, I'm nervous. Okay, I can do this. Okay. Maybe I should put my hair back. Okay, hair's back, let's do this. We're doing it. Let me get closer. Okay, it's getting dark already. It's fine. Right, next brow. Are they sisters? It's, yeah. What is it? Eyebrows are not sisters, they're no. Eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. What? You know that saying? What is it? Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. That's it. Didn't even know what I was saying there. I'm thinking that they're looking okay. And do you know what? It's too late. I've already done them, so even if they look dead, we will learn from this mistake. But I'm hoping that they look great. I'm just going to use that little thing that it comes with and just brush through. I don't think that's helping. I'm not doing that. Right, I'm just going to quickly add some more of that dye back because brushing it literally took it off. Imagine if they look like this. Oh my gosh, no. That would not be the vibe. This is them on. This is what they look like while they're dyeing. Right, I'm going to go set a timer. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then, yeah, hopefully they look lit. I guess we'll find out. Right, guys, I'm back. It's time for the reveal. I've got a damp cotton pad. Yeah, let's do this. I'm nervous. Okay. Guys, I'm not loving them. Okay, let me just try and get it all off first. Has this even worked? I think so. I'm gonna put some toner, so some like makeup remover on, and hopefully that might help me. There's nothing wrong with them, they just, I don't know, they just look a bit, I don't know. I'm literally scrubbing these. I can't work out if I like them or not. Has this even worked? Thinking of it, when I first started this, you couldn't even see my eyebrows from this distance. I couldn't even see my eyebrows. So they, I mean, they have dyed. I'm gonna brush them through now. So this is all Vaseline, by the way, in case you think, why she's sweating. It's Vaseline on my eyelids. Do you know what? I'm actually kind of happy with them, I think. Do you know what, guys? I like them. I'm not gonna lie. I do like them. They look darker. It's only because when I don't have, as I said before, when I don't have anything on my brows, they are very transparent. So yeah, do you know what? I'm feeling it. Let me take my hair back down. And this is apparently meant to last up to 6 weeks. So if this does last for 6 weeks, honey, I'll be doing this every 6 weeks. This was a good purchase. I think next time, maybe I need to cover it more in the beginning. I don't know. Because there are like a few bits where I feel like the dye's not really took. Like here. You know, it's a bit light. Here-ish. But they do look nice. They look natural. Yeah, they don't look like a block. That's the thing I was dreading. And even like at the front, I mean, yeah, this looks kind of natural. So yeah, I'm glad I tried. I can take these off now. I'm glad I tried this out. Would definitely recommend. And I don't think it was that much. It was definitely less than a tenner. So yeah, if you want to test this out, I would support that decision because this has actually dyed my eyebrows. Hoping it lasts for 6 weeks, well, a good few weeks. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.